Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sahil Khan and I'm ambassador at the International Astronomy and Astrophysics Competition. So today in this video, I will show you that how you can submit your solution for the qualification round for this competition, right? Before starting it, you will have to search for the IAAC on your Chrome browser, okay? Just search for the IAAC. Okay, this is the website by the name IAAC.space/en slash, right? I will paste the link. Then you will see like this type of interface. This is the official website of the IAAC, right? So what you have to do exactly from here, you have to download the problem set of the qualification round. For that, you have to scroll down. If you want to check for the eligibility criteria or some prizes, awards, you can definitely check it out on this portal. So just scroll down for a while and here you will see the problem set for the qualification round. Okay, we still have 34 days, 22 hours, 38 minutes and 46 seconds left, right? So you have to download this solutions problem set from the portal by clicking the download button, and it will be automatically downloaded on your system, right? So you have to open it. Okay, I have already downloaded and I will have to open this problem set. Here you have two sort of permission. Either you want to solve it by hand and then take a scan of these documents and then upload it on the portal, and the second one, easiest way, you can definitely or directly solve it on the Word and convert your Word file into the PDF and then upload that PDF on the portal for the submission. Okay, so this problem set composed on five simple problems. Okay, the first one is problem A, cosmic distance, which is pretty much easy for the qualification round. If you pass this one round, you'll be notified up till 17th of April, because the 17th of April is the deadline for this qualification round. So if you pass it, you will be notified through email and you will be promoted to the second stage for this competition. Okay, you will also receive the certificate upon successfully completing the qualification round. So the second one problem is low Earth orbit. Okay, you have to read the problems carefully and solve it correctly before submitting it. The problem C is total solar ellipses. Then the problem D, the last ellipses. Okay, then problem E, testing the theory of relativity, Einstein theory, special theory of relativity. So after solving all these problems, then you have to open this form. I will pass the link in the group. Okay, here is the official form of mine. Okay, you have to scroll down for a while and here you will see that your participant student can select your ambassador on the submission form over here. So how you will submit your solution, for that they created a separate form. You have to click here and open this form. Okay, this is probably the form for a submitting your solution. Here you have to put your full name, then here you have to write your date of birth, then country along with your city, where are you from, then your email or password. Here they said that you have to set your password, but before submitting your solution, you have to create account on the portal. Then this form will automatically pick up your login credential. Okay, everyone know about it. Then name of school or university you have attended or you are attending. Okay, you have to write the correct name of your school or university, because this is pretty much important, and this will be mentioned on your certificate, so be sure to write your exact name. Okay, then current grade or year of study, for example, whether you are grade 7 or below, whether you are grade 8 student, grade 9, etc. Whether you are a university student, you can definitely write it or select over here that as well. Then email of school or science teacher, this is optional, but if you want to give it as a recommendation, you can definitely write the email of your teacher over here. Okay, then after solving all these problems, now if you have a solution of that in a PDF, you can definitely upload your PDF file by clicking choose file here, and you have to upload from your system. Okay, then scroll down here this is pretty much important, which will help me a lot. So for example, your IAAC ambassador mean who notified you about this competition. You can definitely select my name, Sahil Khan. Okay, if you don't know, for example, if you selected this one person, okay, this is another one ambassador. So how you will select my name, okay, just by typing the first four digits directly. For example, SAHIL, the system will automatically pick up my name. Okay, then how did you hear about the IAC competition? This is optional. Whether you hear from the ambassador, okay, from me, so you have to select the ambassador. Whether you hear from the email or teacher, definitely you can select that as well. Okay, then language you prepare for this competition, you can select that as well, whether it's depend on your native language, but the best one is English. Okay, if you can communicate, this is international language. Then you have to take this one, I agree to the policies, and then take the captcha and then submit your solution. Okay, so be sure to submit your solution before 17th of April 2026. Okay, so this was just the short video regarding that how you can submit your solution for the IAC competition. Okay, let me show you something from the second one poster about the deadlines. Deadline is 17th April, as I mentioned, for the qualification round. Okay, it's 17th April. If you pass this one round, you'll be promoted to the final round, where the deadline is June 2026, and then the last one, final round, deadline is July. Okay, you'll be notified through the important deadlines through email. Okay, award and prizes are telescope and for 1500 USD prizes, and eligibility is open to all students who are recently studying or have been completed their study. They can participate it definitely. Okay, so this is just a short video that how you can submit your solution for the IAAC competition. I hope you understand about that exactly. If you have any question, you can definitely ask in the chat. Okay, I will be able to give you the exact answer. Thanks for watching. Good luck to your competition.